Hi, good morning. We're going to present about Safran in our final presentation. Well, the team is the next one, Liz Gonzalez, Carla Joya, Irving Fonseca, and Yamila Salde. The index is the next. And first of all, talking about our company, which is Safran, is a company that provides system equipment for aerospace, defense, and security. The company has a business presence in all over the world, in the Americas, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. Uh, in the other hand, they had a headquarters in Paris. The market participation that they have in the aerospace industry are the 2.2%. The main competitors in the aerospace industry include Airbus, Boeing, the United Technologies Corp, China Aerospace, and Lockheed Martin Corp.
Inside the five forces of Porter, the main customers are Airbus, Boeing, and United Technologies Corp. For other side, the suppliers are engine, cabin materials, and plastic. The substitute products are automobile industry, cars industry, armory industry. The barriers to entry is the capital requirement. It means that you need a lot of money to start in the industry because you will need equipment and machinery required. The main competitors are Rolls-Royce, GE Aviation, Thales Group, and General Electric. Inside the MPC, the strengths of Safran are that Safran has a diverse revenue models and a large dealer association. The weakness, they do not assemble their own aircraft. The strength of Boeing is that Boeing designs, manufacture, and assemble his own aircraft. The weakness, the company has several financial problems, and China Aerospace Science and Industry Group, they develop weaponry and armory in the industry, and weakness, China Aerospace is only in two countries.
Okay, now if we want to talk about the competitiveness, first of all, the aerospace industry is one of the 15 most important industries all around the world. Also, it's important to mention that the air transports generates 65.5 million jobs and also it contributes $2 billion to the global economy. Also, more than 10 million people are directly employed in the aviation industry. And lastly, aviation jobs are on average 4.4 times more productive than jobs in any other sectors. And now, considering the Porter's diamond, here are the different factors. The first one is the factor condition. This one is related to the government because the Mexican government has laid out a millionaire plan that aims to increase and improve the country's aerospace market, focusing first of all on the design, development, and engineering output as a way to entice industries to entice foreign countries to enter the market. The second one is the demand condition. All around the world, this industry is growing, and also it has been growing for the previous decades, and it's also growing rapidly. And that means that certainly many customers have the need to fly, as well as the companies, they have the need to be as close to the latest technologies as they can be, making this industry highly demanded. On third place is the related industries. And amongst many markets and many industries, the one that the one that is the closest to this one and also the ones that relies the most is the spatial industry. For example, companies like NASA or SpaceX, they're highly benefited from the aerospace industry thanks to the technological advances. This way, it is easier for them to build and assemble the rocket ships. And finally, we have strategy, structure, and rivalry. And Mexico consolidated its position in 2019 as one of the leading producers of aerospace equipment, with an annual production of $3.4 billion. We're now talking about the rivalry. In Mexico, there are more than 85 companies dedicated to this industry. Some of the main ones are, of course, Boeing, Airbus Group, Bombardier, Safran Mexico, and also it is important to mention that Querétaro is the state with the largest concentration of these companies. Thank you.
Selection of markets to expand based on the pastoral analysis. First of all, we have corruption. Corruption erodes the trust we have in the sector to act in our best interest. It also wastes our taxes or rates that have been earmarked for important community projects, such as quality services, infrastructure, meaning we have to put it we have to put up with poor quality services or infrastructure or miss out altogether thanks to the corruption. No, economic growth. Economic growth generates job opportunities and hence stronger demand for labor. The main and often the sole asset of the poor. In turn, increasing employment has been crucial in delivering higher growth. Then we have consumer behavior. Consumer behavior is important because it can help them to make better decisions about their products and services. By understanding why people purchase certain products or services and how they use them, the business can adapt their offerings to better suit the needs and wants of their target market, such as, for example, um, Apple, that people wanted a bigger phone, Apple delivered a bigger phone. People wanted a bigger camera or a better camera, Apple delivered a bigger and better camera. Anyways, the next thing is innovation. Innovation plays a key role in introducing novelty to existing product lines or processes, leading to increased market share, revenue, and customer satisfaction. Sometimes innovation is used to upgrade the operating systems of the business or to introduce modern technologies for automation. Yeah. Okay, so now we have intellectual property protection. It's critical to fostering innovation. Without protection of ideas, businesses and individuals would not reap the full benefits of their inventions and, and would focus less on research and development. For example, the intellectual property protection, I can create a bottle of of wine and somebody wants to copy me, but with that they would be they could copy me, but there's a legal document and a legal reason why they shouldn't do that. Moving on. Moving on. Geography can help us understand the planet's movement, changes in systems. This is about geographic location. Topics that are relevant to today, such as climate change, water availability, natural resources, and more, are much easier understood by those who know geography well. Gender equality. Gender equality. This prevents violence against women and girls. It's essential for economic prosperity. Societies that value women and men as equal are safer and healthier. Gender equality is a human right. Information technology. This can boost productivity in companies of all sizes. It can also reduce costs and improve profitability. Keep up to date with the latest developments and information systems and communication technology and choose the ones that are right for your businesses.
In conclusions, we decide that the country to expand the market and the horizons of Safran will be USA. This is because several reasons. First of all, the existence of a large buyer's market. Also, the duty-free access to several countries, included Mexico. They have various treats to to exports without any cost or duties. Also, clients with a great investment capacity. We know that the United States is a largest country that have several companies and businessmen that are interested in expand their horizons. So we decided will be a stabilized income to our company, which is Safran. Also, in technology, they have the largest investments to logistics and connectivity to improve their equipment and also the labor work to the several industry. Thank you.